Hello everyone, welcome to State Services series with Dr. Vivek Rana. Most anticipated notification in state services, HPAS, Himachal Pradesh Administrative Services 2020 notification is finally out. We all know HPAS is the only commission which has a reputation of conducting, you could say, HAS exams on consistent basis. Otherwise, we have seen in other states there is a time lag. So due to COVID, the notification was delayed this year, but as per their official calendar, they had already highlighted that the prelims is likely to be conducted in the last week of July. It may shift depending upon COVID situation, but the good part is that all the uncertainty is finally over, and all the HPS aspirants who are waiting for this opportunity need to start their preparation and devote their energies for cracking it. So the most important part is the number of seats. This year the seats are quite less. There are just 16 seats. Yes, you heard them right. And out of those 16, only 9 are in general category. Rest are, you could say, in reserved categories. But there is no need to lose heart, because out of these 16, 8 are in the executive, 4 are in police services. So these are some of the elite services which any aspirant is always aiming for. So there is no, and you need just one seat to crack the exam. So make sure you don't lose hope or feel that these seats are going to be too less. There is no use of filling this examination, because this is how the destiny plays out. Make sure you give your best shot for this examination. The age criteria, there is no change. It's 21 to 35 years. No attempts are counted. So make sure if you are passed from any university, you have a valid degree and you are within the age limit, you should give it a shot. And the fees for general candidate is 400, which is quite nominal. If we compare it to other service commissions, it's quite high. So we can say that there is it's not going to pinch you much if you are just filling it just for to get the exposure of the examination as well. And coming to the pattern, you can say it's more or less on UPSC lines. In prelims, the CSAT is qualifying. Only you have to prepare Himachal GK separately. And in mains, there is no ethics paper and there is a single option. There are 3 GS papers and 1 optional paper. And Hindi and English are of qualifying nature. So once again, you need to take care of that theme as well. So if you have any specific queries, or you feel that you are unaware of how the exam is conducted, you can ask your specific queries in comment section, or you could drop a message on Instagram or Facebook. I will try to answer the genuine queries. So wishing all of you best of luck for HPAS 2021. Hope you crack it with flying colors, and just it's the time of the year where you need to just restructure your strategy, because UPSC prelim has been delayed and you need to maximize the opportunities available at your disposal. Since the paper is quite late October, there is no harm in giving HPS a shot. Most likely it would be conducted before UPSC if all your COVID situation eases out. Okay. So I hope this session was useful. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.